little learner. I'm Ellie. Today we are going to explore amazing letter A. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. A. Say a, a, a. Phonic sound of A is a, a, a. A is for a, apple, so juicy and red. A is for a, apple, so juicy and red. A is for a, ant. A is for a, ant. Look at it marching. A is for a, aeroplane. A is for a, airplane. Zoom goes up in the sky. A is for a, alligator. A is for a, alligator. Snap, snap, snap. A is for a, astronaut. A is for a, astronaut. Wow, it was amazing. Now it's your turn. Let's repeat. A is for a, apple. A is for a, ant. A is for a, airplane. A is for a, alligator. A is for a, astronaut. A is for a, ambulance. Wow, you are amazing. Now let's sing together.
It's so much fun. A for apple, let's munch one. A for ant, it's very small. A for airplane, flying tall. A for ambulance is coming around. A for astronaut, flying in space. A says it's so much fun.